Hi, I'm Lisa Keith, and this is BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. And I'm going to show you the little Jayco Baja today, 2022. It is the perfect size. You can pull it behind an SUV. And this is a great starter trailer, RV, whatever you want to call it. And let's go on inside. It's got a good amount of space. It's got a double bed up front, and the sheets don't like to stay on the plastic. So looks like somebody, maybe Goldilocks, had been taking a little nap and we interrupted her. So we've got a nice little dinette. The dinette does fold down flat, so it can be a bed, and there is also storage underneath that you can access by lifting up these little hole there for your finger. And then we've got the bunks back here. Kids always love bunks, we know this. I would love a bunk, like an adult size bunk. You can make a fort. It's got a little bathroom with the toilet and the shower in it. Got a nice little kitchen area, good size fridge, microwave, and a 2-burner stove. I do like to have lots of prep space. This is sufficient. Great little trailer for a starter. And it's got a good amount of counter space. It's got very nice neutral colors, and it's really all you need when you go out, take your kids out on a little adventure. You don't have to have massive to have fun. So this is Lisa Keith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. And if you have any questions, give us a call.